the Northern Tower Fortress archaeological site. So you can sit over here and enjoy your meal and the views. Some very old houses as you walk along. Very interesting. Wow, this place is beautiful. Welcome to another interesting vlog from Bulgaria. A coastal town with some amazing views. We'll find out in this video why it is described as a living time capsule. Bus to Sosopol, gate number 5, 11:37. Let's get on the bus. I think it's departing soon. The buses are quite frequent. You buy a ticket on the bus. They are air conditioned and very clean. Has quaint shops, restaurants, cafes, and the typical townhouses with some historical and cultural sites. Is waiting, some shops, and let's see if there's a museum. Yeah, that one is a museum. And over here, from above here, you get the nice beach, umbrellas, and you get those houses overlooking the sea. Places are still open. People enjoying themselves at the beach, restaurants, and some at the cafes. It's actually free to explore. Whilst here, let's just take a good look at everything around us. We got restaurants, we got archaeological site, we've got markets, and we have this church. We have market stalls selling local products and souvenirs on this street leading to the marina and the port of Sosopol. Lots of souvenirs for sale. The market stores are still open, and they've got some postcards as well. They do some boat trips from here. It looks like most of the activities have already closed down to end the summer holiday season. Let's go up the streets exploring the center of Sosopol. Late September, not so busy, but usually at the moment it's really nice, relaxed walk up the street exploring. They still have their souvenirs and some cosmetic products on sale. It's slowed down a lot in terms of visitors. One of the top destinations for those seeking relaxation and shopping for local products. People here are still nice and friendly, and tourists are welcome. Things for sale here. Streets here in Sozopol. Sozopol. We have clear views of that island over there, and let me point. Those are some amazing views from here. Wow. Oh, the sea gates. Let's see how far we go. Oh, there is a boat. It's usually open during the season. And Let's walk along the sea coast with some spectacular views. Steps are leading all the way down to the sea. We've been to the northern fortress. This is the southern fortress. Let's walk through. Southern tower wall. Wow. Tower. Just walking through. See if there's anything. Southern fortress wall, tower, architectural, historical complex. Back to where I started at that church, and this has been an exciting solo adventure created by Sosopol. It's been a brilliant excursion, and let's rush to the bus. Oh, I can see the bus waiting there. Not too sure what time it's departing. Bus is here. Yeah, so bus is here. Bogus. Wow. So goodbye. So for